Let's look at the ocean as we just take a short little walk this Saturday evening. The green mustard is called India mustard, and the red mustard is the giant Japanese mustards. These mustards I planted in the sidewalk garden for my neighbors to enjoy. Look at that. Isn't that a blessing? All right, now let's go. And there's my little gardening friend. Change our thoughts and we can change our world. There's a lot of things that we have no control over. We don't have control over other people, but we can control the thoughts that we think. This is our little earth bag greens garden. So we have our turnips growing, our giant red Japanese mustards, and then we have, I put some okra in here, and here are the collards. Those leaves are looking great. You know, collards are a superfood. Actually, all greens, I think, are superfoods. And look at the beauty of this lettuce. Whoa. And then we have our tomatoes growing over here. Now let's walk to the other garden and see what's growing. These sweet peas, I think they're on their last leg. Look at how brown, but they are absolutely incredible. I cooked some today. I had sweet peas. These are sugar snap peas with mint because I have a lot of spearmint. It was wonderful. Just go on the internet, look up sugar snap peas with mint. It's a great recipe. Now we have lettuce growing. Some of the lettuce is going to seed, but look at that. And we have our turnips growing. Something's eating the turnips. That's a great sign because, you know, I don't use any chemicals, just vermicomposting, composting with worms. This chart is looking great back there. The tomatillos are looking wonderful. And here's some more Japanese mustards. Hi, Bernice. Okay. So that was a quick little garden tour for today. Thank you for joining me. Bye.